So we are going to look at Amazon KDP business. Okay, so we are going to look at what it's all about. I'm going to take some of my time to do some explanations and things I think you should know. Okay, so this is search engine called Google. So as you can see in this search here, I type Amazon. So I am going to click on this first page I'm seeing here. It's either I click on this amazon.com or I go down to books. So you should know that Amazon, it's not just a place to get books. It's a place where you can get different things, and here are some of the services they offer. Okay, you can get electronics, you can get books, you can get so many more. Okay, so now let's look at this. Okay, what's Amazon and how does it work? So just like what I initially explained, Amazon is an e-commerce platform that sells many products, okay, such as books, movies, music, software, baby products, consumer electronics, beauty products, and so many more. Okay, if you click on this link, you will still see more you can get on Amazon. So I think let's click on this amazon.com first. So here we are. So here are things you can get on Amazon. As you can see, this is clothes. I think this one is power bank. So here are books. Okay, here are books. So I think why I'm mainly seeing books, because this is somewhere I visit often, but you can get so many things on Amazon. So here, if you click, here are other departments. Maybe we want to explore. Here are other departments, okay, where you can find other things. This is movie, music, game. Okay, this is toy, kids, baby. This is outdoor, sport, and others. So you go. It's the list is more. Okay, it goes on. So, but we are on books already. Let me click on books. So this is where we are, because what we want to look at is books. Okay, so here are different books one can write and publish. So here are different I'm trying to get the categories, but they are okay. So here are different categories you can write on and publish. Okay, you can write on art and photography, biography, and memoirs, business and money, Christian books and Bible, and so many more. In fact, humor and entertainment, politics and social science, and so many more. And okay, this is self-help book. For instance, I'm interested in self-help book. So these are categories for self-help book. These ones are popular ones they have. Okay, these are popular. So if I click on this, you will see more popular ones. These ones are best sellers. Okay, so this is to let you know that you can write something and publish and make money just like these people. I don't have, there's a particular okay, I'm not using the browser, but there is a particular browser I can use. When I click on all these things, I can be able to see the numbers of books sold. All right, the numbers of books sold. And also if you had watched my video, you can find it on YouTube. Okay, you will find out that some of these things I'm saying here, I did it in that video, including calculating the amount they made in a month. So if you are interested to learn more on this, I think that video um will be a very good guide for you. Okay, so you can publish books on these categories. You can pick one, anyone you are interested in, you feel like this is what you can do, you can publish on it. Okay, you have idea about how to cookbook, see cookbook here, see cookbook, people write so many things, people see this one, keep it simple. People write on, people are looking for solution to some of their problems, and some people problem can be they don't know how to cook, or they don't have idea on what to cook. You can write you can write book on cook on kind of food. Okay, food ideas, give food ideas to people, you publish, you make money. Maybe you are good at giving people advice, where is the relationship category? Okay, so it can, we can get it under self-help. Okay, we can also get it at parenting and the relationship. So maybe you are good at giving advice, you can write books on relationship, marriage, publish. People are looking for, like this particular one is five love languages. People are looking for uh, uh, how to make their relationship last, how to do this, how to win their man, how to win their woman, how to, dinner date ideas, love messages, and so many of that. So you can come up with something and publish, and you will make money. Okay, now let me show you my Amazon KDP account. Okay, this particular one, I took the account from my younger sister. I don't know which, some time ago, I think last 3 years or so, she bought Amazon KDP, because I don't know who she bought it from, but she published about, I don't know whether it's 8 books or so. So later she was like, she was not making any money there, but I didn't actually pay attention to her because I had my own account. I didn't pay attention to what she's saying, because I feel like she's not serious, or maybe she has not taken it serious. But later I found out she's no longer interested in that account about last 2 months. So I told her I wish I would get her message so that I can send a message with her. So I told her, let her give me the account that I will give her, I think either 30% or 40%, right? Let me be publishing on the account, because she has not been using it for a while. Let me get her message so that this will not look like I'm just talking. So I won't review much. I will not be reviewing much. So here I said, send me your login details for these platforms. Okay, so she has Amazon KDP account, she has Seller. So I thought I'm going to use it on her behalf. Okay, so I thought that if I later run ads there and make money, we are going to share it 80/20. I will take 80 both for ads and other things. I'll pay you 20% on each withdrawal. Okay, so I was like, agreed, or you have better request? She said maybe 30% is okay by me. Can you see that? So there's another discussion I would like to show us in this message. I think it was few days later when I showed her how much that account made, because I started using the account this month, that is July, I think second week or so. Yeah, second week. Don't worry, let me go down and show. So this is 18th of July. I think today is 26th of July. So this was what was the account. Then like this account was zero before, zero. So I showed that. She was like, congratulations, ma'am. I thought that the books I published recently. So I told her let her not kind of share the screenshot with anyone. She said yes, and she was like, more win mama, deals are sweet, you can imagine. So I was like, if the account reaches $500 this month, no be small money you will get to deals are sweet. So imagine, she just because she owns an account, imagine I made $500 from this account, and uh, um she'll be getting 30%, and 30% is about how much? Is it not about $150? 30%, isn't it about $150? Now calculate $150 to naira, or to your country's currency, then you will know that it's more than, if it's not close to 300, or if it's not close to 250 plus or more. Okay, it's close to 250,000 plus or more. That is what she'll be getting just for not doing anything with her account. Just for not doing anything with her account. So you see, I'm not she said let her ask AI. She was even saying 40%. Me, I didn't even talk to her. You can imagine. She was saying 30%. Me, I said not to look for someone I'll do my deal with. I have AdSense account I'm not using safe. So now let me show you this particular account. We saw this $125, so that we see how much that is there today. Today being 26th of July. So here is the account. Let me refresh. Damn. So you see what I am saying. Before it was 60 orders, now 61. Are you saying? And in that previous message I had with my sister, you saw their mom there. So as you can see, let's look at yesterday, what I made from this account yesterday. Okay, this is for the entire month. I think I started on second week, so this was what I made from this account with just 3 books. I only published 3 books on this account. I would have gone down to show the books, but no. So this is today. What is the time? This is still 11:25. Some days I make about 30 in a day with this account. So I'm busy, and I hope to publish more books on this account. If I'm able to publish up to 20 books or 30 books, I'm likely to be making more than, I don't even know. Let's get to the end of the month. Let me see how much this account can be able to make end of the month. If this account hits 500 dollars, that's $500 end of the month. It's possible if I increase the number of books I publish, I'm likely to make more. So if you want to learn on how this works, if you want to learn on how this, what I'm showing you is real result. Okay, it's not some people say they create that they have fake screenshot. Me, I don't even know apps they use in that. I don't know apps they use in that, but it's normal for someone to feel like, okay, it's fake, but if you have not been somewhere, you will not understand. I just hope you get to that place where you understand that all these things is possible. Even though I see someone post 10,000 Amazon whatever, this is my sister's account, I have my own personal account. If someone posts making up to $10,000 from Amazon account, I will not doubt it, because I have been there. You get, I understand the game. So it's better you don't, because assuming my sister learned from the best person or learned what works, she wouldn't have given up on Amazon KDP account. And I know with what she had seen I have done with this account, in the future she's likely want to venture into it or do it. Okay, she's likely. So another thing is you learning from someone who would give you the exact strategy to succeed in what works. Every business has what works and what does not work, so you have to learn what works and you stay on top of the game. In that way you can succeed. All right, thank you. So if you are interested in learning what works, okay, how people make this money with Amazon KDP, pause and pause these and read them one after another. Okay, I'm offering you something that's worth more than $1,000. So this is what I'm offering you. So if you are interested, you can pay. Use this WhatsApp number to send me a message. All right, see you.